everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. It is March 19th, 2025. I'm here waiting on my load. So I thought I'd show you some of the drive cam I had for last week or so. So I will do a voiceover about what happens. Like I said, this is within the last week and a half of drive videos. This is March 11th, 2025, 4:30 in the afternoon. That car's like, nope, I'm gonna get around you right before you go past this truck. So that's the first idiot of the video. And this one here is in Georgia. A lot of these are on the 13th. There was a bad wreck up here, and you'll see it. And you'll see some of these traffic. I had to get off the exit ramp to get around some of this traffic, because you'll see here in a second. And everyone's just going to have to merge over to the far right lane, because the left 3 lanes are closed. Like I said, a lot of this happened on March 13th, last Thursday. There you start seeing the cops. And right there you'll see the RV. It's on its side. The car is all smashed in, jackknifed, blocking almost all 3 lanes of traffic. And over here on the right is a mobile home. I don't know if that one was Polar was in that or not. Don't know. But this happened at what, 9:30 in the morning. I guess that's what it says. 8:30, 9:30, 8:30. And the next couple clips are from the same day, but be in Florida. Okay, this is before the Florida scale house. Daly said, I'm going to get in front of you in about 45 feet. And then he slows down. I was doing 70 miles an hour. So I had to go out to the left lane and pass him because he's slowing down, as you see. And I have to go out the left lane to pass him. This is I-75 in Florida now. Yeah, last Thursday was real fun. I had a lot of videos for last Thursday. And here he goes, slowing down. And I believe I had to get in the middle lane to get around him. It was a beautiful day in Florida. And there I'm in the middle lane to go around Daly. This is the second scale house above Wildwood, Florida. And I'm coming up. And Kroger, which is driven by JB Hunt, said, nope, I'm coming over. And I had a slow down, as you see. So good old JB Hunt, which I'm passing now. I got the bypass for this way station too. They were weighing every truck for some reason last Thursday. I didn't know Kroger was pulled by JB Hunt now too. But here's his truck right there. Okay, this was Thursday night. It was doing 55 miles an hour, headed north. Got delivered, headed north. This is Tampa, Florida. Speed limit's 55. 60, I think it is. No, 60. So I move in the right lane because traffic was less. I'm up getting 69 mile an hour, almost 70, because and FedEx is like, nope, I'm coming over. See, I was doing 69, down to 55, 56. So I had to get back behind this Canadian truck and go around FedEx. So now I'm going in the middle lane behind this Canadian truck. And here's the FedEx ground. For some reason, the school bus is out at 9 o'clock at night on a Thursday. But it happens. And this next one is Friday morning on I-75, almost to the Georgia line. Here on I-75, Friday the 14th. Something you're not supposed to see on the interstates. And it still has me shaking my head. I couldn't believe I saw this. So I had to hop in the middle lane, because the guy's doing about 28 miles an hour going up the interstate. Yes, that's a John Deere tractor with a hay wagon pulling transplants. Yes, a John Deere tractor. Things we see on the interstate, which it shouldn't be. And this next clip is in College Park, Georgia. I showed another clip where I was getting passed on this same stretch of road right here. Look, I'm 34, 32, making a right-hand turn. Last time it was daylight coming to this light. Down to 15, 13, and making this turn. I was bobtail, matter of fact. And I'm 17, 21, 24, 25. Speed limit's 30. I was doing 31. And I was passed in a no passing zone. Yeah, and watch what this guy keeps on doing. Remember this stop sign up here? Yeah, he's like, screw it, I ain't stopping. And this was Saturday morning, I-85 going north. Good old Hale decided, I'm coming over, screw you. I was only doing 67, and that's about 30 feet. I do have a new dash cam, and I will be breaking out. Y'all have a great one. Don't be an idiot. Talk to y'all later. Subscribe if new. Thumb up.